I'm Malik here again with another Animatic Studio exclusive course. We will move through the course step by step and start just from scratch by creating a low poly model, then unwrapping its UV, then creating high poly model from low poly using Autodesk Maya, and then finally achieving high quality visuals by baking textures using Substance Painter. We also have a YouTube channel named Animatic Studio, where I teach you guys basic and important techniques of modeling and texturing completely for free. This course is not a course for someone who is completely new to 3D. To maximize your experience with this course, it's highly recommended you have at least a solid comfort level with 3D modeling and UV unwrapping in Autodesk Maya. Because texture baking relies entirely on how efficient both model and the UV are. So, it's important that you first get comfortable with those foundational skills and after that, texture baking. Texture baking is a fantastic technique for achieving high quality visuals. Throughout this course, we will be looking on both softwares, Autodesk Maya and Substance Painter. Well, if you are a confident modeler but complete beginner to the idea of baking and having some trouble getting issue-free bakes for your model, this is a course you want to take a look at. This is perfect for you. After completing this course, you will be confident enough to make amazing low-poly, high-detail 3D models for your game. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now.